This 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek Experience 3125 RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 35 feet 7 inches in length and features a linen interior, sleeps 4, microwave, water heater, leveling jacks, slide-out, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek Experience 3125 RD is 11,766 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.